This is really fun, just seeing like how stuff we can make can like actually be used. It's really fun.
We are doing what you call CO2 car dragsters. I remember when I first started at Webb City Junior High School in 1995, it was a tradition to build CO2 cars, so I kept that tradition up.
Oh, it's probably one of my favorite classes. It's like a place where you can go where you're not sitting at a desk and you can make something with your hands. Yeah, it's a competition. It's whoever gets the best time wins. The best time was from Wentz, and he had a time of 1.150 for 80 feet of track, 65 racing distance. Yeah, just over a second for 65 feet of track. Some kids did like dragsters, which are what we're racing today. Others did like show cars that are made out of a different kind of wood, but like they take a paint job better, so they're like just for looks. And then others are doing like shell cars where the wheels are on the inside, and they're still working on those. I did a show car, so mine's not gonna be doing any races, but I think it looks pretty good. We've spent about the last 3-ish weeks making them.
We had to pass their safety test with all the machines in the shop first, and then we practiced on the machines so they could get better at their cuts.
We had to make a styrofoam model before this, and like just kind of cutting all of that out and just kind of shaping it, getting it the way you want it to look when you were imagining it in your little drawing.
Overall, they did really good. And they learn a lot about, specifications, making a car that's very aerodynamic. If they have a car that weighs 57 grams, they're not going to beat a car that weighs 45 grams. And that's where we're trying to get to, is a 45 gram. I feel like in woodworking, it's something that they may take with them the rest of their life. I mean, they're going to be homeowners, they're going to be working on things, and they may become engineers, but then again, they may become a teacher. It's hard to say what they're going to do at this age. I'm just glad that the NEF allowed us to get the grant for the new starting system, and it records our times also. And we needed it because the old one was pretty wore out that I had purchased when I was at the high school. So I thank them considerably.